Hello everyone, welcome to GMB Briefcase. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Geo Grid module in GMB Briefcase. Once you log into the GMB Briefcase, you will find a option Geo Ranking. Some people call it Geo Ranking, some people call it Geo Grid, some people call as Map Grid, and so on. So the terms are different, but the objective is same: to check the ranking of particular keyword on the maps. So once we click on this particular menu, we will be redirected to this particular dashboard. These are some of my existing projects. It is showing us how many projects I have, how many keywords I have, how many keywords are in recurring check, and my available credit. These are some of the additional menu such as projects, check rank, Google Place API key, which is optional, and the credit history, which is used. So now I would like to click on this action menu and I will click on create a project. I will give a name. In case if I want to send some automated emails whenever the check is happen or whenever the second recurring check is happen, we can specify such email address. Like for example, if we schedule a particular keyword for every week and we want to send automated report to our client, then we need to just enter the multiple email IDs and the email will get delivered to your client's ID. So for the time being, I will add one of my email address as well. I will click on submit button. Now my project is created. Now what I'm willing to do is I'm willing to check rank for a particular business. I will click on check rank. This is the business for which I want to check the rank. So I will copy the name. Once I navigate to this rank check feature, here are certain options. You can find your business by start typing your name. So here we can see I added name and it immediately found my business name. But in case if your business address is hidden, then this function will not work for you. In that particular case, you need to use either the map URL. How you are going to use the map URL is you need to navigate to the google.com, search your business. Then once the knowledge panel is populated, click on this particular arrow, these two arrows, and then copy this URL. Okay, this is going to be your map URL. In case if you want to use the place ID feature, then what you need to do is you need to go to the Playpler, which is a free tool, URL to CID. You can make a search. So here you can see this particular tool. It is a free tool. Copy your map URL over here, click on convert, and it will give you a CID number. So you can use this CID number over here if your business is not populating over here. Let's click on this particular business. Immediately, it will place a pin for that particular location. By default, you need to use the Briefcase API. You only need to use Map API when you are using your own Google Map API key. Now I will enter a keyword. I will choose the map points. I can choose the map points in automatic or manual way. When I use the automatic, it will immediately place the grid on a certain distance depending on my selection. If I choose manually, I can place the manually. Manual feature is also useful when you want to check a rank on a specific location on in your city. For maybe if you want to check what is the my business position when someone make a search from the airport, when someone make a search from a museum, and so on. So let's try to choose automatic. We can choose the distance in miles and meters. I will choose miles. I will choose the distance between each pinpoint. I will choose as a 1 mile. I can choose the grid. I offer different types of grid sizes. I will choose 3 by 3 grid, and I will choose the project as a rank check test. I want to check this particular keyword on one time only. In case if I want to check weekly or monthly, I can do that one as well. Let's click on start checking. If here are my current credits, here you can see 896 credit are there. Once I use this 3 by 3 grid, 9 credits are going to be utilized. Let's click on start button. Here we can see it start showing the results for each of the GPS point. We can also verify the results, which I will record in another video, that how we can verify the search results, which are showing in the Geo Grid with the actual browsing, doing the web browser, isn't it? Like making a search and so on. So, or using some URL, how we can verify that. Here we can see that this particular business is ranking on these positions, and here are the key things. Now, here we can see that if I navigate to history, it will show me that this is a keyword and which utilize the 9 credits. If I navigate to the project section again, okay, and here we can see the credits are now reduced as well. So this is the particular project which we recently created, and notification email as well. In case if I want to share the URL with client, I can simply click on share URL, and this is the URL which you can share with your client or with your team members. This URL don't require user don't need to log into the GMB briefcase, and they can simply view the results right from this URL. Here we can see they can view the results. So this way we can utilize the GMB briefcase to check the rank using this GeoGrid tool. There are certain additional options as well. Like if I click on this particular keyword, I can recheck this particular keyword. I can clone this keyword. I can download this keyword, or even I can delete this keyword. So this way you can utilize the GeoGrid module in GMB Briefcase. Thank you.